Hello friends, I am Dr. Pramod, cataract surgeon. Let us discuss a few things about cataract. Cataract is the most commonly occurring problem in old age. So what is cataract? Here we have the model of an eye. So what we see here is the white part of the eye, and in the center of it is the lens. This is the crystalline lens which helps the light to be focused onto the retina, and through the retina we are able to see and understand what we are seeing. So what happens is basically this part of the eye is made of proteins which are arranged parallelly. Over a period of time, what happens is these proteins get condensed, and due to lack of nutrition, the center part of the eye or the center part of the lens become condensed and becomes opaque. So, because of this opacity, light is not allowed to pass through and fall onto the retina. So, this is what is called cataract. This happens due to various reasons. The main reason is old age. Other than that, in some cases, they can happen a little earlier, like people with diabetes or metabolic disorders. And sometimes people taking oral steroids also can have this happen earlier. Let's look into the treatment modalities for cataract. In the early stages, glasses will be sufficient to treat the cataract. But after some time, when the lens becomes more condensed and opaque, surgery is the only treatment of option. Let's look into the treatment for cataract. Surgery is the only option afterwards. Cataract surgery is one of the most commonly performed surgeries in the world, which gives you more than 90% success. So there is no other surgery which gives you this much success. And we given the latest technology and the latest IOLs that are present, cataract surgery nowadays is performed as an outpatient procedure wherein hospitalization is not required. The patient can go a few hours after surgery, go back home. So how do we go about this surgery? The surgery is basically can be done without injection and just putting just the drops. It's basically a keyhole surgery wherein a small opening is made into the in the side of the cornea, and the opening is made into the capsule, that is the covering of the lens, and the part inside, that's the nucleus and the cortex, is removed using ultrasound, and in the place of the opaque lens, an artificial lens or a plastic lens is placed, which focuses the light exactly onto the retina. So given the latest technologies, even we can have correction both for the distance and near, and the patient will be essentially without glasses post-operative, enabling him to do all the activities both near and distance. Now, what are the complications if the cataract surgery is not done in time? So what happens is the lens fibers inside liquefy, and over a period of time they thicken and block the angles of the eye, wherein there is an increase in the intraocular pressure. This increase in pressure over a period of time acts on the nerve, and the ocular nerve starts dying, and then they leading to blindness. So this is the grave complication which you have to avoid. To avoid this complication, we have to do cataract surgery in time or a little early also, it's okay.